accidentally made this a low quality video to you guys, but I'm gonna try remaking this stupid cough. This is on the first song. On the second song, bro. I'm trying to remake this cough. I'm really bad at it unless I'm singing along to this. I think it's somewhere near this. There, I sort of did it. If you guys couldn't hear it, just here. I'll go back to where he starts dying. Okay, yeah, just, I'm really embarrassed doing that, like, a couple